Hey, it's Samuel Austin with Hygia Healthcare, High Acuity Home Health again. And today I am joined by Aaron Stewart, who is one of the director of nurses here. Aaron, COVID-19, no one wants to get it. And there's so many things out there that people are saying. Just like the other day, someone came up to me and they said, hey, Sam, if you drink hot waters with lemon, it's good for you because it'll make your body more alkaline. I mean, I don't know. It may work. I'm not sure.
You know, Sam, there's a lot of information out there, and not to discredit any. What we can honestly say is the CDC recommends to wash our hands with warm, soapy water, and that helps honestly prevent the disease of the virus.
Okay. I think a question that people might have in the industry, and I see it on social media sites, is that they're wondering if our home health is ready to take on COVID patients. As I see some are, but is Hygia ready to take on COVID patients?
That's a really great question because we see a lot of people struggling throughout the community as well as other home healths as they fight for the issues with the PPEs. Now, what we can say is that we've been preparing for this for a couple months. We've been following the news, and we've outfitted all our nurses with the proper equipment they need.
Okay. And the proper equipment, what is that called?
Oh, personal protective equipment.
A PPE?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a certain kit you can buy, or how do you put that together?
Well, I wish there was a kit, Sam, but unfortunately, as we discussed earlier, is with the shortage, there's really none. And it's so desperate, we're actually having people make masks for other individuals in our community.
Okay. And what does the kit have in it?
Well, traditionally the kits, they have the N95 mask that helps with the particulate in the air, as well as a face mask that any droplets may hit the nurse. And if you don't have a face mask, we'll use goggles. Now, the biggest thing to help the individual is an isolation gown.
Okay. I know you were saying too, there's a shortage you were mentioning. So since there is a shortage and a nurse does see a PPE, was wearing her PPE and goes to see a COVID patient, when she come out of the house, can she sanitize it and reuse it?
Well, Sam, that's a really, really great question. Traditionally, there's not an answer for that. We're in an unprecedented circumstance right now to where we normally would dispose of our equipment right after that patient. But since there is a national crisis with these PPEs, we're not able to do that anymore. Now, some equipment you can, some that you can't.
Okay. So I know there's a lot of things that you need to do when preparing to see a COVID patient. The way you probably need to dress before you go in, the way you need to disrobe when you come out so you don't cross-contaminate yourself or your car and bring home to your family.
Yes, most definitely.
Hygia shot a video.
Yes, we did. We actually got with a couple of physicians as well as some policymakers at some local hospitals around us, and they put together a procedure for our nurses. One of the biggest things that we've had to tackle is reusing our PPEs and having a suitable decontamination process for them.
Oh, wow. So I think that would be great for the community to see.
Oh, most definitely.
So where can they go to get that information?
Well, Sam, they can go to hygiahealthcare.com as well as our Facebook page at Hygia Healthcare, or go to Google at Hygia Healthcare.
All right. We appreciate that video. And you guys go to those links he was talking about, too. I think there'd be a lot of helpful and informative information for everyone. Again, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Well, and as well as any of the information you see in this video, understand that we follow the CDC guidelines, and we are in critical need of other individuals to help us with this process, to help other nurses, because this is a community, and it'll take us all to build a proper solution.
I say it takes a village.
Yes, most definitely.
And well, it's just Samuel Austin signing off again with Hygia Healthcare, High Acuity Home Health.
It's Aaron Stewart.
All right. And with faith, we'll get through this, guys.
God bless.
See you later.